morning everyone. Welcome to my class. In this class, I am going to discuss few MCQ question based on the topic nuclear reactions. Already theory part I explained in detail about nuclear reactions. This is the class we are going to discuss MCQ questions. Okay. Those who are not able to watch that video, go through my YouTube channel, then you will get all the videos, all the old videos you will get. Okay. Nuclear reactions. First question. The nuclear energy in nuclear reactor is produced by. In a the nuclear energy in nuclear reactor is produced by, first option, nuclear fission, second option, nuclear fusion, third option, electrical generator, fourth one is burning of coal. Normally, the nuclear energy is produced in a nuclear reactor is because of the phenomenon of nuclear fission. Nuclear fission is nothing but splitting up of heavier nuclei into smaller one. Okay, that is nothing but nuclear fission. Let us discuss in detail about nuclear reactor view. Okay, this is the nuclear reactor, what you will watch in the figure. What is mean by nuclear reactor? It is a device in which a nuclear reaction is initiated, maintained and also controlled. Nuclear reactor. What is the use of nuclear reactor? Nuclear reactor is a device. It is a device in which a nuclear reaction is initiated. Okay, then we can maintain the nuclear reactions also, even be controlled. Okay, that device we will consider as a nuclear reactor. It works on the principle of controlled chain reaction. Which type of reaction it will occur in nuclear reactor? It will works on the principle of controlled chain reaction, provides energy at constant rate. It will provide the energy at constant rate. Then one thing you have to remember here, this is the nuclear reactor. Then here what is the device? This is a device where in which a nuclear reaction is initiated, maintained and also controlled. It works on the principle of controlled chain reaction. Okay, then here the energy it will be produced at constant rate. Let us discuss the few points in nuclear reactor. Nuclear fuel. It is a fissionable material to be used for the fission process to take place. Therefore, the option 1 is the correct. Okay, in the how you will get the nuclear energy in nuclear reaction, which process it will happen, that is the first question. Nuclear fission it will happen, splitting up of heavier nucleus into the smaller one. Commonly used fuel in a nuclear reactor is uranium 233, enriched uranium 235 also we can use, even plutonium 239 also we will use nuclear fuel. Okay, then generally uranium oxide pellets are inserted end to end into a long hollow metal tubes constituting the fuel rods. Here you are having the rod like this, then here inside the rod empty space is there. In this one like a pellets. Okay, like a pellets means small pieces of uranium we will put inside the metal tube. This fuel rods it will act as a nuclear fuel. When slow neutrons interact with fuel, the fission start and the energy is released. When slow neutrons, when it will be contact with the fuel, when slowly moving neutrons, when it is contact with the fuel, then fission reaction it will occur, means splitting up of heavier nuclei into smaller nuclei it will take place, then energy is released. Okay, then next one, what is the use of the moderator? The moderator's function is to slow down the fast moving secondary neutrons. The slow neutrons, it will help to conduct the fission reaction. To start the fission reaction, we will use slow moving neutrons we will use. But in the case of a moderator, what is the function of the moderator? The moderator function, it will slow down the fast moving secondary neutrons. Those neutrons, they will be moving fast. Then this moderator, it will control the, otherwise it will control the moment of the neutrons produced during fission reaction. Okay. Already I told nuclear fission is a controlled chain reaction. Then here from one step to another step, continuously the neutrons it will be produced. When you are having fast moving neutrons, then that it will become uncontrolled nuclear fission. That's why you have to control the fast moving secondary neutrons. Okay. The material of the moderator should be light. How it will be the material of the moderator? It should be light. It should not absorb neutrons. The material of the moderator is, it should be light, but it should not absorb neutron. Only it will slow down the movement of the neutrons, but it will not absorb the neutron. Okay. Next one. Usually heavy water, graphite, deuterium, paraffin, etc. act as a moderator. These are the example of moderators. Which are the moderators we will use? Heavy water, graphite, deuterium, paraffin. Okay. Then next, controller. These are made with neutron absorbing material such as cadmium. What is the use of controller? See, already I told, in an chain reaction, enormous number of neutrons it will be produced. When you are having more number of neutrons, maybe the whatever the process fission is happening, that is uncontrolled. It will become uncontrolled. To control the nuclear reactions, we will use the controller. What this controller, what it will do? It will absorb the extra neutron present in the nuclear reactions. Then here the example are cadmium, hafnium, boron. Remember the controller. Okay. And are inserted or withdrawn from the core to control the rate of reaction or to halt it. Even using controller, you can stop the fission reaction. Even you can control. Understood? Then last one, what is the use of the lubricant? Lubricant has shown that it is possible to produce materials capable of lubricating some reactor components. Okay. Next, in order to further the development of such lubricants, the UKAEA and nuclear manufacturing groups have cooperated in providing lubricant manufacturers. Okay. What is the use of lubricant? Lubricants, it will help the nuclear reactions to occur smoothly. Lubricants has shown that it is possible to produce materials capable of lubricating some reactor components. Next question. This I not included a nuclear reactor in that nuclear reactions theory part. That's why I explained that only that topic is left. That's why I included in this MCQ classes. Okay. Next, let us discuss more MCQ questions. India's first atomic reactor was called dash. Dhruva, Kamini, Zarlina, Apsara. Yes, Apsara. India's first atomic reactor was called Apsara. Remember the name. Okay. Nuclear energy is generated by, first option, nuclear fission. Yes, definitely nuclear fission. And its expression was proposed by Einstein. First option. Second option, nuclear fission. Its expression was proposed by Rutherford. No. Then third option, nuclear fusion. Fusion means wrong. Nuclear fission also wrong. Therefore, correct answer for this question is nuclear fission. Its expression was proposed by Einstein, not Rutherford. Next, name the largest nuclear power station of India by capacity. First option Tarapur, second option Kakrapar, then third option Kaiga, fourth option Kundan Kulam. Fourth option is the correct answer. Largest nuclear power station of India. Remember the names, okay? Next, a nuclear reactor is a device to produce nuclear energy with the help of, easily you can answer this question. Now only I explain. First option nuclear fission, second one is uncontrolled chain reaction, third one is controlled chain reaction, fourth one is graphite as a fuel. Third option, nuclear reactor is a device used to produce nuclear energy with the help of a controlled chain reaction. Easy questions, okay? Next one, what is the code name of India's first successful nuclear test? First option, Laughing Buddha, second one, Operation Shakti, third one, Smiling Buddha, fourth one, Operation Vijay. Option 3 is the correct answer, Smiling Buddha. Remember, okay? What is the code name of India's first successful nuclear test? Smiling Buddha. Remember, okay? In nuclear reactions, there is conservation of, first option, mass only, second one, momentum only, third option, energy only, fourth option, mass, energy, momentum. Yes, in nuclear reaction, it will involve even all the three, mass, energy, momentum, conservation of mass, energy and also momentum. All the three it will involve. Easy topic. Nuclear reaction is easy topic. Nuclear fission can be controlled by using control rods made up of calcium, magnesium, boron, aluminum. Now only I explain, it is made up of boron. Nuclear fission can be controlled by using control rods. That control rods are made by boron. Remember, okay, revise 2-3 times, then it will get registered in your mind. In which year was India's first nuclear reactor formally inaugurated by Prime Minister Jawaharlal Nehru? In which year? First option 1955, second option 1967, third option 1965, fourth option 1957. The correct answer is 1957. In that year, India's first nuclear reactor formally inaugurated by Prime Minister J.L. Nehru. Next, which of the following is not used as a moderator in nuclear reactor? Is not used. C. Graphite, heavy water, third one light water, boron. What is the correct answer for this question is boron. Boron is a controlled rods. We will use in controlled rods, no, not in the moderator. Next question. In the Canada deuterium-uranium reactor, a natural uranium fueled reactor, the function of moderator and coolant is performed by, first one heavy water, second one light water, third one carbon dioxide, fourth one is sodium. The correct answer for this question is heavy water. In the Canada deuterium-uranium reactor, a natural uranium fueled reactor, okay, the function of moderator and coolant, both heavy water, it will behaves as a both moderator and also coolant is performed by heavy water. Next, enriched uranium means uranium that has been enriched in isotopes. Which one is enriched uranium? Now only I explained uranium 235. Enriched uranium. Enriched uranium means uranium that has been enriched in isotope, that is uranium 235. Remember. Okay, these are the few important questions I discussed based on the topic nuclear reactions. Okay, from tomorrow onwards I will start the maths class don't miss the maths classes. Okay, everyone start reading, then it definitely my classes, it will be going to help to clear your government teachers exam. Okay. Okay, thank you everyone, thanks for listening my class. Okay, thanks, bye, take care.